just gonna send it. On this episode, we get a Hyundai XL.
Dan.
Thomas, nice to meet you.
Hey Thomas, how you going, mate?
Hello, mate.
Well, we got the little Hyundai XL.
Yes. Have a look.
Yeah, she's not a bad little car, actually.
Just started
Did you
raining.
trade it in or something, or?
Yes.
Oh yeah, not too bad. Little
Starting running.
two-door jobby. What was that, Thomas? What was that? Sorry.
Starting running.
Starting and running.
Yes.
Oh, that's above our pay grade. All right, let's have a quick look at the key. And it's a little manual, so let's have a look. You got to put your foot on the clutch with these?
Yep.
Yeah. Check the oil here. Oh, it looks pretty clean to me. Yep. Cool. And you want to check the water, just to make sure there's no pressure in here. There's lots of pressure in there, so you might want to turn that off for a sec. That's not too bad of a condition, really, actually, for what it is. It's got a new alternator. Hey, that's got a spoiler. Goes fast.
Goes
Lots of
fast.
downforce. Lots of downforce. So what do we want for it?
Well, it doesn't matter, give me the whole thing.
You tell me what you're sort of chasing for it. I mean, it
For
obviously.
4 years, only around 700, but it doesn't matter. It's,
I'm thinking 500 cash. That's what I'm thinking.
right.
And I'll tow it away today. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about dramas and stuff. So we're just going to resell it on the channel, obviously.
Okay.
We're not going to sell it for a heap
Of
more.
course, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
And I know once you complete the job.
Yeah, and we'll give it a cut and polish and all
Yeah,
that
yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah,
do
just
that?
give me a sec.
All right.
So Thomas said he wants $800 for it, but we're gonna give him 500. He's just gotta go talk to his boss for about it.
Yeah, just got the money back. That's it. I can show the invoice if you want.
Yeah,
It's still running, but it sounds like
yeah.
some exhaust leaking.
Yeah, exhaust is definitely leaking. Yeah.
So it runs, goes. It's you definitely got something to do on. Once that keeps on it.
One eternity later.
Yeah, 700's fine. Yeah, we can
I
make
don't know
money
if
for
you
that.
turn it up, maybe
No, I could probably make a bit of money out of it. Just at the
a couple hundred, but not too much.
yeah, because like guys that race them buy them.
Yeah.
So, all right, I'm happy with 700.
Cool, no problem.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Toast to the homies that could never see the light, and the haters that forever see my ghost. What a night, ah man. Oh, you wanna know? Not in the stash, but dog, I got problems in cash. Problems in cash, yeah. Problems in cash.
Thank you, Thomas from So Easy Auto, for giving us this Hyundai. We needed it. Thank you, Thomas. We're here down at Heart Kids. We bring the Hyundai XL. See if we could sell it here. So let's go.
We have put the car on the back of the truck for $1,200, saying it runs and drives. We are down here at the charity event, Heart for Kids charity event. So sometimes you just got to think outside the box.
A few moments later.
Welcome to the channel. My name's they call me Mr. Dusty on YouTube. Now, I am the buyer of this little Hyundai twin cam here. We do race these cars, and I've got cash in hand to give to who we got over here.
Jaden.
Jado.
Yeah.
This is yours, mate.
Thank you.
What a deal. I went to a charity cruise and we found an XL for sale and we raced them. It's such a good convenience, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Well, mate, thank you very much. Looking forward to it. Don't forget to subscribe to these guys, alright? I swear if you don't, there'll be trouble. But I'll give a quick tour of the car. Why XLs? There's an affordable category for them. They're the most mass-produced car in Australia, which makes them quite the popular thing to go racing in. And obviously we always need parts, we need spares. That's why finding cars like this is so essential. So I can't thank these guys enough for that. If you want to check out our racing, Tatani Racing, or just go to my YouTube channel, Mr. Dusty. Can't wait. We'll let you know what happens.
Top gone red, I made a name for myself. Can't lie, I'm doing well for my age. My dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choose in the casket, now they souls in the grave.
So we sold the car at the event at Heart Kids. We're going to donate $500 to Heart Kids.
Just had a $500 donation. $500 cash. We've had someone, so I'm going to get this. Jaden. Where are you, Jaden? Come on up, Jaden. Oh, sorry, I didn't realise you were that close. Jaden, my name's Arthur. How are you? Jaden, can you tell me what you've just done, please?
We donated $500 to Hearts of Kids.
So you just donated $500 cash. How old are you?
15.
You're 15 years of age, and why have you donated $500 cash to Heart Kids?
Because it's just a nice thing to do.
It's a nice thing to do. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Jaden. $500 cash. Mate, you're going to be a Drake's VIP customer, I can tell you. Where about which Drake's supermarket do you shop at?
Lugs.
Lugs. Yeah, down at either Semaphore or North Haven. Say North Haven.
Yeah. North Haven.
I thought I've seen you there before, Jaden. Jaden, thank you so much for that opportunity. Jaden, what else are you involved with?
We've one more flip and we're on YouTube and yeah.
So what's one more flip on YouTube? What do you do?
So we try to flip cars. We had $500 at the start and we're flipping cars until we get to a dream car.
Fantastic. Mate, who bought the car? Do you know who it is? Someone who's 14 or?
Someone, we don't know. Just someone.
Mate, fantastic. Thank you so much on behalf of volunteers, Drakes, everybody who's supporting you, because your support is a massive donation. $500 is huge, especially when it's in pineapples. And Westcare Early Learning Centre, tell me a little bit about that.
My mum runs Westcare Early Learning Centre near Port.
Awesome.
Yeah.
No, fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, Jaden, $500 donation, one more flip on YouTube, and a thank you to Westcare Early Learning Centre. Round of applause again, ladies and gentlemen, and a massive thank you to Jaden. Thank you, my friend. Well, here we are again under my favourite tree, so that either means we've sold a car. So we definitely have sold a car, but before we go into those details, let's talk about how we got the car. So Thomas from So Easy Auto gave us a call, or sent us a message through a third-party friend, saying that he had a car wholesale that he traded in. We went down, had a look, obviously saw in the video, won't go over that again, but thank you, Thomas. Then we'll get in the car prepped to go to obviously give it a clean up and do everything on to put it onto Marketplace. Today we had a charity event that we had to attend to for my wife that obviously has a childcare centre, and we thought, hey, this is a great idea. We might actually load the car on the truck and take it down to the show and shine event. You never know, you're like in the big city. So luck have it, obviously, Mr. Dusty, thank you so much for purchasing the car, and if you obviously jump on his channel if you want and subscribe and like, would much appreciated. Another SA local guy. But obviously the biggest talking point is we've lost money. We've lost $200, but to a good cause. We lost the money to Jaden. I'm so proud of him as a father, donating $500 to Heart Kids, which Heart Kids, if you don't know, jump on their website. They support children that are born with heart defects. Very obviously really close to us, so let's support them. But as a father, I just want to say I'm really proud of Jaden. I want to do this video by myself so he can see it later. Obviously I do all the editing, so he won't see this, but I just want him to see in the video that I am proud of him. And look, we've got more and more content to come. I don't know if I want to give it away, but no, there's another car coming. It's a mystery car. It's going to be a huge challenge for us, this one. I'll leave that with you guys, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Peace out.
Caleb, The nugget is back here.
You film the cars?
Little cool car.
What are you going to do?
We're gonna race it. We're gonna go rally.
Send it?
We're gonna send it.